This isn't just another electric SUV. This is the car that is forcing Tesla to rethink its entire strategy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to IronRevX. Today we are doing a deep dive into the all-new 2026 Rivian R2. For the last few years, if you wanted the cool, rugged vibe of a Rivian, you had to drop nearly $80,000 on the R1S or the truck. But the R2 changes the game completely. With a starting price of $45,000, this is aimed directly at the heart of the market, the Tesla Model Y. Let's start with the design. It is unmistakably a Rivian. It keeps that friendly retro future face with the stadium-shaped headlights, but the dimensions are much tighter. It is significantly smaller than the R1S, making it perfect for maneuvering through tight city streets or narrow off-road trails. It feels solid planted and surprisingly premium for this price point. But where the R2 really separates itself from the competition is the interior philosophy. While other brands are going for pure minimalism, Rivian is going for maximum utility. First, the glass. The rear tailgate window rolls all the way down into the door. The rear quarter windows pop out. When you drop the side windows and open the sunroof, you get a near-convertible experience. They call it the open-air experience, and it is something you just cannot find in other crossovers. Inside the cabin, the innovation continues. You actually get two glove boxes, which is a rare luxury in modern EVs. The materials feel rugged and durable, designed to get dirty and be easily cleaned. And the seating. This is the headline feature. Every single seat, including the driver, and front passenger seats folds. Completely flat, you can fit an air mattress in here, surfboards or construction gear without any issues. Now let's talk about what powers this machine. Rivian is using an all-new platform with structurally integrated battery packs featuring larger 4695 cells. What does that mean for you? Better efficiency and more range. You will have three options: a single-motor rear-wheel drive, a dual-motor all-wheel drive, and the beast, a tri-motor setup. Rivian claims the top tier model will launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. That is faster than most supercars from just a decade ago. Range is estimated at over 300 miles on a single charge, and crucially, the charging port is now on the passenger side rear, and it is the NACS standard. That means native access to the Tesla Supercharger network. From day one, no adapters, no stress. So here is the reality. The Rivian R2 won't be hitting the roads until the first half of 2026. That is a bit of a wait. But looking at the specs, the utility, and that aggressive $45,000 price tag, this might just be the most important electric car of the decade. Is it worth waiting for, or is the competition already too far ahead? I want to know your opinion. Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like, subscribe, IronRevX.